alarm clock. I hate alarm clocks, man.
What do you want, Mr. Jeter?
I gotta get up, wake him up, take him to sleep.
No.
I'ma have that talk with him. Alright. Hey. Real shit, y'all. I only got enough money for some hamburger meat. I still ain't tripping. That's the shit I like to eat, but my sonny like this is all we got.
Skinny son.
Like, son, I'm about to speak down on the beats and I'm about to
Look at that, his style.
No joke, but the video we made last time, it looked like shit, dang.
We gon' eat somehow, like
My homie.
Chinese.
Alright, this time I didn't eat breakfast, so I should do this.
I don't know. I might not be hungry.
All you gotta do is wash it off and then put it in the freeze. Then we good for another couple of weeks. When you get older like me, you be tucking the heat. And if not, you be stuck in the street. I wanna say you love me, but that's on the sheet. We gon' do what we gotta do, and that's it to me.
Those fries now look like they're going there with.
Hopefully, but if not, there really ain't no hope for me. That means you're going through the same situation. That means we gon' be going through the same shit you hate me. We gotta find something to eat.
Put it on another one. That's good. Improvising.
I only got enough money for some top ramen noodles. My son looking at me like he don't want to come too close. He saw me in the bathroom crying. It was too late. I couldn't even keep a straight face like a toothache. All the motherfuckers around me, they was too
You turn it up?
I ain't got an album now. Now it's too late. Yesterday.
Watch out for the pan, man.
Football game. Where's my motherfucking
Sit down, Chris. Turn it down. That's just oil.
Why does that take that oil off?
I ain't going back. I got a new life. I'ma get a new wife.
Turn it down, turn it down, turn it down.
But turn it off.
Yeah, turn it off, turn it off.
We didn't even need them to be on. There we go. We needed the thing off. Since the oil was already hot enough. My mom says, cook the oil and then let it cool. No? Wait, maybe not. Experts tell us how to cook. Well, them to cook. Hamburger, good. What about you? What's your score? I gave it 2 flips. 2 flips. That means it's good.
Time for you to pray, but I don't pray. I carry full clip. You can't be like me, cause I'm a fucker. And if we both fucking up, you gon' be just like me. It's gon' be a tight squeeze. We can get through this. You my little nigga, so nigga, we gon' do this. Shit. I can count it on one hand. Old as I am, I can still count it on one hand. We both Kevin Man. We both gotta stretch it out like a rubber band. I got another plan. I got a million of them. I'ma still come with them. I'ma still run with them. We gotta keep it going, and then I'm done with it. That's it. I'ma wipe my hands. I'm hella broke, but I don't dance. Me. We gotta find something to eat. Even if we gotta go do it on the street. Even if we gotta go shooting with the heat. Even if we lie to do, we gon' get the meat. Alright, son, what time you get out of school? What, 2:30? Alright, you meet me down the street where we usually meet at. I'm gonna get some money. You just get your fucking ass in the fucking class, man. Alright, I love you. Stinky
They
in here,
talked
man.
a lot.
Feeling stinky in here.
I got you. They spoke a lot.
It's a little bit stinky.
They speaked. But hold on. Now we respond.
That's what I'm saying,
Bumping
nigga.
their gums so foul, their breath smelling like rot and methadone. Nah. G Mac, it's your Nellingsworth. First degree the DE. How is you feeling?
Feeling. You asked that.
Tell him, nigga.
I feel like still entertaining. Let's entertain. Let's entertain.
With our darkness.
Let's do it. Stop.
My dogs are hungry. And for all y'all that needs to talk on this lynch hunk Southside gangster momentum.